Motovario introduces the TECO's 510 inverter family. TECO's 510 series inverter family is available in various supply voltages and with different ratings and performances from 0.37 kilowatts to 600 kilowatts of power. The four key points to the 510 series family concept are an updated project to meet customer requests. At the base of the development of the new generation of the 510 series, there's a deep attention to the requests of customers. A family of wide-ranging products that all look alike. Whether it's an L510S or an A510S, the way to approach the product is always the same, regardless of the power. World-class inverter. These inverters are designed to be ready to work anywhere in the world, following local standards. The available voltages and certifications are suitable for installation in Europe, the United States, and anywhere else in the world. Maximum protection, service, and support near the product. The 510 series was created to make life easy in any eventuality. The large set of protection functions intervenes in operating conditions to avoid damage to the inverter and motor. The Safe Torque Off function is now available in all versions. These are the models that belong to the inverter family. L510S. The L510S is a cost-effective, compact, and easy-to-use drive, providing a full set of instructions, including PID and configurable I/Os and network capabilities. The L510S is suitable for fan and pump, conveyor, packaging machines, and automatic door control. S510. Similar to the L510S, but in a book-style space-saving design, S510 is the smallest and most cost-effective TECO inverter of the 510 range with integrated Safe Torque Off. E510S. The E510 drive series is an advanced open-loop vector drive. It is the ideal solution for machine builder who needs a drive with a variety of integrated functionalities like built-in PLC, Safe Torque Off, high torque generation. A510S. The A510S is characterized by a high-performance closed-loop vector control for high dynamic applications and significant torque overloads up to 200%, controlling asynchronous and permanent magnet motors. Ideal for applications such as cranes, elevators, drilling machines, presses, winders, unwinders, spinning machines. F510. The F510 fan and pump AC drive is an easily configured and versatile drive, providing advanced instructions and specific features to control virtually any application of fans, blowers, and centrifugal pumps. TECO's 510 inverter family, our beating electronic heart.